In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use icmarkets Ctrader. We'll start from the very beginning so you can get comfortable quickly and trade with confidence. First, open your browser and head to the official icmarkets website. Make sure you're on the legitimate site by checking the address bar and looking for a secure connection. This is important for protecting your information and avoiding phishing sites. Next, register for an account. You can choose a live account if you're ready to trade real funds, or a demo account if you want to practice risk-free. A demo is a great place to learn the platform, test strategies, and understand how orders execute without any pressure. During registration, you'll fill in your basic details and confirm any required verification. If you're brand new, give yourself a few minutes to complete everything carefully. When prompted to select your platform, choose Ctrader. This ensures your account is set up on the right server so you can log in seamlessly. Ctrader is available on desktop, web, and mobile, so pick the option that suits your workflow. The web version is quick to access, while the desktop app offers powerful charting and speed. Now, open Ctrader. If you're using the desktop app, launch it from your computer. If you're using the web version, sign in through your browser. icmarkets will have sent you your login details after registration. Enter the credentials exactly as provided and make sure you select the correct server for either your live or demo account. Keep these details secure and avoid sharing them. Once you're in, let's navigate Ctrader. On the left, you'll see your watch lists where you can search and add symbols like currency pairs, indices, or commodities. The center is your charting area. You can change timeframes, switch chart types, and add indicators. Right-clicking the chart reveals quick actions, and the toolbar lets you draw trend lines, mark support and resistance, and save layouts. At the bottom, you'll find your trade tab with open positions, orders, and account history. This is where you'll monitor profit and loss and manage stops and targets. To place a trade, use the order panel. Choose market or pending orders, set your volume, and add a stop loss and take profit before you click buy or sell. Keep an eye on the one-click trading toggle so you don't place orders by accident. If you're practicing, stay on a demo until you feel confident with order types, position sizing, and risk controls. Save your workspace, explore templates, and take your time. With these steps, you're ready to start using icmarkets Ctrader effectively.